everyone, I'm here, I'm live, and I'm so excited to talk to you and see all of you tonight. I had a busy week, a really busy week. I finally decided to reveal my results for this last 30 days. Hey, Alan. For this last 30 days and what I've been doing to really transform myself. 30 days ago, I was just coming off of this crazy trip. We went to the Hard Rock Punta Cana and had a lot of fun. And after the trip, I was at my heaviest weight, which wasn't good for my head. I was feeling down in the dumps. I was still smiling all the time. I'm a very happy person, but was not happy with where I was. And I had been trying to modify and tweak and learn about this ketogenic diet. And I ended up trying it myself for a couple of months prior to the trip, and I just didn't do it right. I obviously didn't have my macros right. I was probably not eating enough fat and eating too much protein, and it was just it's a lot of science kind of behind this way of eating. So I tweaked it, I read, I researched, I interviewed experts, I've interviewed doctors, and I wrote my 10-day clean eating challenge ebook. Now, I'm still tweaking it. There's still a few things that I want to add to the ebook, but let me tell you what I did and how it worked for me. So I eat a very high-fat diet, which I love. I'm eating avocados, bacon, coconut oil, butter. I love butter. I'm eating broccoli with tons of butter on it. I know it doesn't sound healthy, but the research behind it is solid. If you're going to eat a very high-fat diet, you're really going to put your body into a state of ketosis or a modified nutritional ketosis. And what ketosis is putting your body in a state where it actually burns fat as fuel instead of glucose. So a great example is if you eat breakfast and you go and work out, your body is going to burn through that breakfast, but it never gets to the fat. Okay, so that's why my 25 years of being a personal trainer and a fitness trainer, I was always telling people, you have to eat 6 meals a day, and you need to eat high protein, low carb, and my clients were seeing some results, pretty good results, but nothing as fast as what I'm seeing with people with this high fat, low carb. So putting your body into ketosis helps you burn fat. So here is you guys have seen, I posted my pictures a little bit ago. I have lost 6 inches on my belly. So my weight hasn't really changed that much, which I'm a little sad about, gotta say, but it's because my body is preserving the muscle. See, so my muscle is still here, but it's burning the fat around my legs and my midsection, which is where I keep it. Now, ketosis is a hard state to get into. It's really difficult. You have to eat 70% fat diet, which that's hard. So that doesn't leave much room for protein and carbs. So what I found is that I'm a busy mom. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm working all the time. You guys know that. It didn't work for me to do the 70%. So I tweaked it a little bit to work a little more easily with busy people. And the way I tweaked it, it's working. And I have the whole formula and everything is in the ebook. So you can download the ebook and learn that. But what was really game changing for me, so you're going to see great results in the beginning of this pretty quick. And I love that. Within a week, you're going to be like, wow. But what really did it for me was adding in exogenous ketones. Once I added in exogenous ketones, it was easier for me to get into ketosis and stay there. Now, what happened next was my skin is better, my face is glowing. I mean, it's weird. I'm just my cheeks are have more color, and my hair is healthier, and my belly fat is gone, and I mean, I'm in it to win it. I am going to keep going. I'm going to go another hardcore 30 days on this with my group because I feel so good. I'm fasting for half of the day. I'm barely eating any food. My grocery bill is like shrunk, and I'm happier than I've ever been. I mean, in a long time, okay? Because you guys know I've been through some stuff. So that, I hope that makes sense to you guys. It's a formula. It's something you're going to have to tweak. That's why I say 10 days. Just give it 10 days so you can kind of tweak and find what works for you. I am not into like weighing things and measuring them and putting them in little portion containers and being really, you know, diligent about tracking everything. That's just not me. So this plan is written more for people who don't like to track things, who really don't want to think too hard about what they want to eat, but they want to get healthy and burn belly fat and feel better. You can, you know, put a lot of information in, you know, we use MyFitnessPal to track our macros. You can absolutely do that, but once you find out your formula, then you just follow it, and you're not going to need to track everything or be as diligent. Now here's the big thing. Hey, you guys, if you have questions, give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Give me a thumbs up or a heart if you can hear me. And if you have questions, post them below. I'll stay here for a little while and I'll answer questions. One of the big questions I get is, can you drink alcohol on the 10-day clean eating challenge? And thank you. I love the hearts. I say yes. I actually have been drinking wine and maybe a few cocktails with my friends, and you know, sporadic, but I haven't needed to be as, you know, strict as I did in the past. So there's definitely wine and cocktails, and Sherry is on right now, and I mean, she's one of the people that has kind of seen me do this whole 30 days, and she asked me last time I saw her, like, what is going on? Because I'm still out having fun. I know. So you don't have to deprive yourself on this. You don't have to count your carbs every single day. It's just, once you're eating the fat, you're just not going to be hungry. And once you add in the ketones, you're going to feel like Wonder Woman or Superman. It's the most amazing feeling. I can't even explain it, when your body actually starts burning fat as fuel instead of glucose. So my joints, I don't have any muscle soreness, and I am doing some crazy workouts at the track. My muscle soreness is gone. I'm sleeping better, and more importantly, like, my brain is just, your brain is made up of fat, okay? It's fat. So our brains are really happy when we are ingesting a lot of healthy fats. So if you have someone in your family that, you know, God forbid, is dealing with Alzheimer's or early Alzheimer's, or a head injury, a brain injury, a stroke, epilepsy, this diet actually started to treat epileptic patients a long time ago. So this isn't new. You know, Dr. Atkins was definitely onto something with this. I feel like we've tweaked it now and we've made it a lot more healthy. I don't really know what Atkins was, but I know that what I'm preaching, you can eat dairy as your fat, full fat dairy as your fat, but personally for me that doesn't really work. I like avocados, bacon, sausage, olives, macadamia nuts. That's where I'm getting my fat. So I have a girl who's doing it right now, and she's vegetarian, so it'll be interesting to see how it works for her. I have one similar to South Beach. No, Tara, not similar to South Beach. I don't think. I mean, I did read the South Beach diet, but South Beach is more, I think it's more balanced on the protein and fat. So with this, it's really high in fat, medium protein, low carbs. So yeah, no, not like South Beach. But how is it for diabetic? Okay, type 1 or type 2, Christy? Let me know, is it type 1 or type 2? If it's type 1, I have a girl in the group right now. She's seeing results, but she's not seeing the results that she's really looking for, because it's hard for type 1 diabetics. Okay, it's hard for type 1 diabetics to burn fat. So I'm working with her really closely, and we're tweaking her macros, and you know, maybe when it's all said and done, we find out that this isn't the right fit for her. But we're trying, and we're really working hard. Dale, oh my gosh. Hello, Dale. How are you? So, Christy, type 2 diabetes, yes. Type 2 diabetes, this is a great plan for that, and I can send you and post some more information below because I've been doing so much medical research on this. Type 2, so really what this is, especially when you add in the ketones, it's a blood sugar stabilizer. So really that's what you're doing. When you're eating all this high fat, low carb, you're getting the carbs out of your life and drinking a little bit of wine. You're going to stabilize your blood sugar a lot more effectively. So that's why people are seeing the crazy energy, because their body's burning fat. Like the fuel that your body has, you're burning that. We're also fasting. So fasting is really a great way to tap into fat burning as well. But fasting for me in the past has been miserable. But now that I'm eating high fat, I can fast for a long time. Okay, you guys, give me a heart if you can hear me. It looks like maybe my reception is bad. So if you can still hear me, give me a heart. So my meal plan kind of looks like this. Fast until, well, I have coffee with butter and coconut oil and MCT oil in it in the morning. And then, okay, so you guys want me to talk about the supplement, the magic superhuman power supplement. Okay, so here's the deal. Here's the day. Here's the perfect day. And I'm just telling you what's worked for me. Okay, I wake up, I have my coffee with butter, MCT oil, and I mix it up in the blender. Okay, so that's my coffee. Then I drink my ketones. So now it's like 8 o'clock. Okay, within an hour I'm in full ketosis. So in that hour I am like, wow, I feel so good. I feel like I could go out and run 5 miles and I have zero endurance. Okay, I feel like that's the time to work out. Okay, so an hour and a half after I drink the ketones, I'm doing my workout. So I'm still fasted, so I'm doing a fasted workout. I'm not hungry. Then my workout's done around 10:30. I shower around 11:30. I'm eating eggs, cooked in butter, bacon, and avocado. Sometimes I'll throw in some veggies from the night before, if that's what I have left. Then I drink more ketones around 2 o'clock and a shake maybe around 4. Just like a really healthy greens drink shake with fat in it, with avocado in it. Then I am not hungry until 7:30, and my dinners are super simple, like a hamburger patty with bacon and guacamole and maybe a little bit of salad, just because I want some more greens because I'm just not hungry. And then I go to bed and I wake up and I start it all again the next day. Now I am not hungry. I am not craving anything. Oh, and I'll have a glass of wine or two sometimes, and that does not affect me, has not affected me at all. So the supplement is really helpful. I have packets. If you guys want packets, I can send you a few packets that you can try. Just comment below or message me, and I can get that in your hands in about a week. So, yeah, I mean, keep asking questions to make scrambled eggs. Can I use avocado? Yeah, avocado oil is great. It has I think it's good. Yeah, good to, if you're going to use butter, you guys, to cook in, it can be very carcinogenic if you heat it at high heat. So you want to make sure your butter doesn't brown. Like, you want to keep the pan really low in heat, put the butter in, and then put your eggs in to cook it. You don't want to let that get to that high heat point where it's smoking and turning brown, because it's very carcinogenic, which causes cancer. So what other questions do we have? Do you not eat pre-workout? Tara, I don't need the pre-workout when I'm drinking the ketones. I really don't. I don't need the pre-workout when I'm drinking the ketones. I've never been a big pre-workout person, but I feel like I've taken it without the jitteries. I hate the jitteries. I hate that caffeine feeling. Is coconut, yes, Misty, hello love. Is coconut an okay substitute for the butter? Absolutely. So if you guys don't, okay, here's the thing with butter. If you don't do dairy, butter doesn't necessarily metabolize in your body as dairy. And so if you have a dairy sensitivity, it usually won't bother you, but you could have ghee. So you could try ghee. And there's ghee, you know, you can get it all over, but I like the one from Trader Joe's. Okay, higher protein if you're lifting heavy. Nope, Tara, I think you should just try this high fat to tweak things and see how it goes. I know you're on a post competition diet, so I would add the fat, but I think all you might need to do is just adding the ketones, and I think you're going to get into ketosis and really preserve that muscle. So here's the other thing with getting into ketosis and drinking the supplement is you preserve the muscle and burn the fat. So for anyone who trains hard, this is what you want, because a lot of girls, I mean, I don't have this problem, but I know a lot of girls that they start to lose their muscle mass when they're training, because they just don't have, their bodies are just so tiny. So if you're training really hard, then you're going to want to preserve that muscle and keep your energy up, especially when you're dieting for a show, or you're trying to do like a quick thing to get ready for, 4th of July or a wedding. It's a great way to keep that energy up. Tammy, from what I understand, putting protein powder in your coffee is going to break the fast. So I would keep the protein powder and save it for the afternoon, maybe after your workout, or later in the day if you really need it. I don't think you even need the protein, like a straight protein shake. If you're drinking Shakeology, that would just have to play into your macros. So that's why we have everybody start with MyFitnessPal and putting their macros in there, just so you can kind of get a gist of what your day is going to look like, and then you can just kind of eat the same thing all the time after that. But putting protein in your coffee will definitely break the fast, so you want to keep trying to go just fat until 11 or so. You want to go 12 to 14 hours on that fast. All right, I don't see any more questions coming through, but if you guys want some of those ketone packets, I have a few. I said I can get them to you in about a week. They're a hot commodity, so if you want them, message me tonight, because they're going to be gone. It's crazy. I guess it's just because I'm so passionate about it right now. But they really do help, and they really do work, but you need to try it first. So message me or comment below if you want some of the ketone packets, and I can get them to do. Oh, Arturo, hello. Thank you so much. I mean, I'm feeling really good. Nice. Okay. All right. Where would you order them? Okay, Misty, I'll send you a link. If you guys want the link, I can send it to you. I found a company that it's super clean. That's only the 5 ingredients, and perfect, Janet. Okay, great. All right, yes. Okay, I will get you guys. Just comment right there, and then I'll send you guys all a private message. But comment tonight, because I need to get them in the mail to you tomorrow. And yeah, and I'll send you the link if you want some. They're super clean. You're gonna feel really good. And if you guys want to join my 10-day clean eating challenge, it's running now. Like, I was kind of trying to make it where it would be, I would coach everybody for 10 days, but it's been so popular, and thank you so much, you guys, for supporting me in this book. It's just an ongoing group, so I just actually did a video for them in the group and gave them some lessons on this. I went a little bit deeper because they're actually following the meal plan. But if you're interested, the website is cleaneatingchallenge.com. 10-day-cleaneatingchallenge.com. Chronometer is a free way to track your macro. Oh yeah, Misty, you would know about that. Okay, yeah, Chronometer is a good one. Okay, cool. That's good to know. Yeah, I think you have to pay for MyFitnessPal to do the macros. Yeah, so, okay. Well, you guys, I'm going to go eat my hamburger with avocado and bacon on it, and maybe have a glass of wine. I don't know. We'll see what the night brings. I hope you have an awesome night, you guys. Again, if you want to join the Clean Eating Challenge, message below. If you want to check out some of the ketone packets, message below. I would be happy to share the information with you. I just don't like to post links and stuff on Facebook, so I don't want to be overly salesy. So you guys just message me if you want it. Okay. All right, you guys, have a good night. I'll talk to you later. Bye.